In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track YouTube views and subs count using Google Sheets. To do this, we are going to use a Google Sheets add-on called YT Tracker, which can pull public YouTube stats into your spreadsheet. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Or open an existing one where you want the tracking data to live. Next, go to the top menu and click Extensions. From there, click Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that connect to Sheets. In the search bar, type the keyword you see in the walkthrough, and then select the add-on called YT Tracker, YouTube Stats and Analytics from the results. Open it, then click Install. Google will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Continue. At this point, you will be prompted to sign in and grant permissions. Choose the Google account you want to use with this spreadsheet, then click Continue. You will see a consent screen describing what the add-on can access. Review it carefully, then proceed through the approval prompts until the add-on is authorized and you are returned to your spreadsheet. Now that it is installed, go back to Extensions again, find YT Tracker, YouTube Stats and Analytics in the list, and open it. In the menu that appears, choose Track YouTube Videos/Shorts. This is the option that lets you bring video-level metrics, like views, into your sheet. With that set, switch over to YouTube in your browser. Navigate to the video or short you want to track. Once you are on the page for that content, click Share, then copy the link that YouTube provides. Make sure you copy the full URL so the add-on can identify the correct video. Go back to your Google Sheet, click into the input area the add-on is using, and paste the YouTube link. After you enter it, continue by clicking through the prompts in the add-on interface. When you see the permission request inside the add-on flow, click Allow Access so it can fetch the public stats and place them into your spreadsheet. Once it finishes, your sheet will begin showing the tracked metrics for that YouTube link, and you can repeat the same paste and track flow for additional videos as needed. That covers everything you need to know.